waterfall. Nothing can harm me at all. My worries seem so very small, but my waterfall. I can see my rainbow calling me through the misty breeze of my waterfall.
Cambi.
Some people say daydream is for lazy-minded fools with nothing else to do. So let them laugh at me. So just as long as I have you to see me through, I have nothing to lose. Long as I have you. Waterfall, don't ever change your ways. Fall with me for a million days. Oh, my waterfall. For 50 years they've been married. They can't wait for the 51st to roll around. Yeah, roll around. 30 years they've been married, and now they're old and happy, and they settle down. Settle down. Yeah. 20 years they've been married, and they did everything that could be done. You know they have their fun. And then you come along and talk about it. So you say you want to be married. I'm gonna change your the bad side. 10 years they've been married. 1,000 kids run around hungry because their mama's a louse. Daddy's down at the whiskey house. That ain't all. For 3 years they've been married. They don't get along so good. They're tired of each other. You know how that goes. She got another lover. Same old thing. So now you're 17, run around hanging out and having your fun. that's some shame. You must be losing your weak little mind. I ain't ready yet, baby. I ain't ready. I'm gonna change your mind. Woo, look out. Oh! I ain't ready to get tied down. I ain't ready. I ain't ready now. Let me live a little while longer. Let me live. Let me live a little while longer.
Da imaš snimku od mozaka što od Bosne.
So if you finish talking, let me get back in my groove.